Sanibonani bafethu. Yazi ngibheka indaba kaShebe. Yabona uShebe this festive luze yonke la meter methe uzoyibamba. Uluze yonke la meter methe uzoyibamba. Umdali nabakokwabahlamlukile bamnika opportunity yokuthi ma change ubomi bakhe, bamenza superstar, bamenza umculo odumile. Uyenzani lo opportunity udlala ngayo?
After released on bail, he went to the complainant, told him that he must withdraw the case or otherwise his life will be difficult. Then at that moment, they called the IO that we are with the complainant here. He says he wants to withdraw the case. Can we meet at Leboahomo police station? He agreed under duress. Then went to Leboahomo police station. Then they spoke with IO that he submitted a withdrawal statement. And recently I made a contact with him. He narrated everything that it was not his intention to withdraw the case, but he felt that if he's going to testify against the bail applicant, his life will be in danger.
You confiscated a firearm at some point in time from the bail applicant. All other offences that follows, they still involve the use of a firearm. Now, what worries me, officer, is that notwithstanding the fact that this bail applicant is out on bail and is linked to these other violent offences, that no application for cancellation of bail is done. Can you please share light insofar as that is concerned?
For a long time, government officials, they were helping or fueling the behavior of the bail applicant. He knew that he will commit, he will get protection, the case will be cancelled, some cases will disappear. He continued to be like that.
Yazi bafethu amajita amaningi ayikhalela opportunity uShebe akanayo, but uyithathile uShebe wayifaka in a bin just because of akafuna ukukhula. Akafuna ukukhula uShebe shit. Akafuna ukukhula. Ufuna uba ingane forever. And there is no success without responsibility. Ayikho lonto. Ebomini mawuthola something kumele ube responsible, ukwazi ukuyigcina uyimaintain. Abantu abaningi bafuna impumelelo kodwa bakwazi ukuyimaintain. Yinto uShebe akayenzile ke bafethu. Kulo December wakhe ngabe manje ubamba imitha, ngabe umndeni wakhe uhappy, ngabe umuntu wakhe uhappy, yonke into right, wachuza yena ukwenza into ezibhedayo, namhlanje ulayo khona because of ama-choices wakhe. Singathi ukuthi makabe perfect, akekho umuntu perfect ebomini, but